In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your game requires a system restart to play on Valorant. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to fix this error message for Valorant, what you want to do is first you want to run Valorant as an administrator. So in the search box, simply type Valorant, right-click Valorant and select Open File Location. And from here, you'll be redirected to the Valorant file location. So simply right-click on Valorant shortcut and select Properties. Now select the Compatibility tab. Check the box Run this program as administrator, then click Apply and OK. And the second fix is to enable Vanguard service and change its startup type. So on your keyboard, press Windows logo key plus R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Now type msconfig and press enter. Click on the services tab and locate the VGC service, as you can see like right here. Now tick the box next to it to enable the service, then press apply, then OK. And restart your PC. Now, after rebooting your computer, play your game to check if your problem is resolved. So if that didn't work, you need to change the VGC startup type. So you want to again press on Windows logo key and R and type services.msc and press enter. Now locate the VGC service, click properties, and in the startup type, click on the down arrow and select automatic, then click apply and OK. Now click start to start the service, as you can see right here. Now you want to launch Valorant. However, if you get the error one incorrect function when trying to enable Vanguard service, follow the steps to fix it. So in the search box, type CMD, right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Now type and press enter for both of these commands in succession. So SC space delete VGC, SC space delete space VGK. Now restart your computer, and once your computer is rebooted, press Windows logo key and E at the same time to open File Explorer. Now navigate to your Riot Vanguard folder and select delete. Now from your desktop, right-click Recycle Bin and select Empty Recycle Bin to completely delete the Riot Vanguard folder. Now, next you want to right click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as admin and wait for Vanguard to be installed again. And the next fix you can do is to disable your driver signature enforcement. So in the search box, type CMD, right click command prompt from the results and select Run as an administrator. Now you want to type this command. So it's bcd edit space slash set space no integrity checks place on to permanently disable driver signature enforcement. Then you need to restart your computer. And if it still doesn't work, the next fix you can do is to simply update your device drivers. And I think the next fix is to disable virtualization. So again, go to your command prompt and run as administrator. Now type this command bcd edit space slash set space hypervisor launch type space off and press enter. And once done, restart your computer and check if it helps you fix the issue. So if disabling virtualization doesn't work for you, you can instead disable the Hyper-V via the control panel. So you want to open the control panel by then select category from the drop-down menu and view by then click programs. Right here, as you can see. Now in the programs and features, click on turn Windows features on and off. Now look for Hyper-V and uncheck it. Then click OK to save the changes. And hopefully one of these fixes brought Valorant to the playable state for you. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.